Hey friends, we're unboxing the BenQ 24-inch LED zero flicker monitor, gaming monitor. Okay, we got like the base here. Oh, that was smooth. Good thing that wasn't breakable. And the attachment part here. Slide that out. Okay, so the power cord, that's not HL16 cords. That's kind of interesting. Not sure I've seen the kind of end part on there before. It's got two little round circles. I'll put it up here, I'll show you. Cap off there. Oh, never mind. It had this plastic cap on there, so I was thinking that's like two little round. It looks like two individual round plug-ins, but you pull that off and it's just a standard. Probably using HDMI for this instead. Okay, be nice for those, and obviously instructions. Nice round layout. Okay, let's get this thing out of here if we can. Gently place it down there. Alright. Okay, let's pull that out there. There we go. Now, I believe to set this up, you simply pull all this plastic stuff off there. Okay. Alrighty. That looks nice. And then your base goes on there as well. Let's see if we can pull this garbage off. I think it just snaps on there. It just sets on there even. Okay, and now I'm going to rotate this over. And you just have these two notches here. Those slide down right over there. And let's see what kind of plugins we got. Got an HDMI, DVI-D, and D-sub plugins, as well as audio. And there's your power one right there. So it does have some there's that. Okay, so we're going to slide this down onto there. I'm going to turn it around so we can get a better view. And that's going to slide down right like that. Hear a clicking noise. And there it is, my friends. I believe it's adjustable a little bit. Tilts back and forth like that. So I'm going to obviously get this set up, hook it up to the new computer I got, and we'll show you guys what's going on there. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the BenQ Zero Flicker LED gaming monitor.